promise. I promise. Him. Oh, man. The confinements of non-social distancing when you're near a shot of a neighbor. Our neighbors. And they look like they're like wrapped in a cage, man. Cat burger, go bam! Take a shit out of them. So, I make myself know, man. And that was pot. I hope. So pot, please, man. It's big. Oh, that's even better than pot, promise. Pot, please. But I promise you. I'll be really, really pleased. Oh, man. Alright, so for all you little hackers out there, man, a little allergy, a little sniffle or something, God knows what, doesn't matter. Just say pot, please, man. Pot promise, but I guess it's pot promise. Love you guys, bye.